Doda in Jammu and Kashmir, search operations are on and intensifying. Sources have said that 3 to 4 terrorists have taken shelter in the forest areas, in the forest belt there, specifically in Desa where the encounter had taken place. We've lost our soldiers, 4 in total, but remember their brother-in-arms will ensure that these terrorists, these jihadists sent by Pakistan will be hunted down very soon. We are told that while the terrorists may have escaped, but it is in these forest areas that they have taken shelter. These brave men decided to confront their enemy and remember are the barriers to these terrorists who want to enter further into the Indian territory. Jammu has sadly become, in the last few days and weeks, in the past 1 month itself, over a month, there have been about 6 attacks targeting innocent civilians and armed forces because the focus has been, while tightened and cracked down in the Kashmir Valley on the terror ecosystem, they are using these hilly and forest terrains to launch attacks in the Jammu region. For now, no success for the security forces in these anti-terror operations in Doda, but the search operation is on and the terrorists continue to remain at large. But with the search operation, the focus will be to ensure to nab them soon. They've done it in the past. The soldiers will be at it again. Sunil G. Bhatt is sending us this ground report. This is from the Desa forest belt. This is where the encounter had taken place.
Right now, we are standing in the forest belt of Desa here in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir, and hunt is on for the terrorists who are hiding in the upper reaches here. The security forces early this morning went deep inside the densely forested area, and they are trying to locate those terrorists. They are trying to trace the terrorists who are hiding here, and the priority is to neutralize them as soon as possible. Unfortunately, the security forces haven't achieved any success as far as this counter-terror operation is concerned, but they are trying their level best. And the priority for them is to also ensure that these terrorists don't manage to escape from this particular area. Because in the previous occasions, we have seen that in the previous terror cases in Jammu division, terrorists, after carrying out dastardly attacks, managed to escape. So it's a cause of huge worry for the security establishment, and that is why additional troops have been rushed to this particular spot. More teams have arrived here from the Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police's Special Operations Group. And security forces are working in close coordination. It's a joint operation of the Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police. They are trying their level best. This is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Ground Zero in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.